Start. Thus, in our view, a court would have the jurisdiction to condone delay in refiling even if the period extends beyond the time specified in section 34 within bracket 3 of the Act. However, this jurisdiction is not to be exercised liberally in view of the object of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act to ensure that arbitration proceedings are concluded expeditiously. The delay in refiling cannot be permitted to frustrate this object of the Act. The applicant would have to satisfy the court that it had pursued the matter diligently and the delays were beyond his control and were unavoidable. In the present case, there has been an inordinate delay of 166 days, and in our view, the appellant has not been able to offer any satisfactory explanation with regard to the same. A liberal approach in condoning the delay in refiling an application under section 34 of the Act is not called for, as it would defeat the purpose of specifying an inelastic period of time within which an application for setting aside an award under section 34 of the Act must be preferred. The court has jurisdiction to condone the delay in refiling of the objections beyond the statutory period prescribed. To condone the delay, the party must satisfy the court that the matter was pursued diligently and delay is beyond his control and unavoidable. Liberal approach is uncalled for. The appellant has preferred the present appeal, impugning the order dated 6/4/2011 passed by a learned single judge of this court in OMP number 89 of 2009, bracket hereinafter referred to as the impugned order, bracket close. By the impugned order, the learned single judge has dismissed the application bearing IA number 1711 of 2010 filed by the appellant under section 151 of CPC for condonation of delay of 166 days in refiling the objections under section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act. The controversy involved in the present case is whether the delay of 166 days in refiling the objection under section 34 of the Act can be condoned beyond the statutory period of limitation of 3 months and 30 days as prescribed under section 34 within bracket 3 of the Act. The facts relevant for examining the controversy in the present appeal are briefly stated as under. Certain disputes arose between the appellant and the respondent, and the same were referred to arbitration. An arbitral award dated 2/4/2009 was made pursuant to the said reference. Being aggrieved with the award, the appellant filed an application under section 34 of the Act, whereby the appellant challenged a part of the arbitral award. Admittedly, the said objections were filed on 24/7/2009 with a delay of 17 days. The registry of this court raised certain objections, and the said applications under section 34 of the Act was returned under objections on the same day. Over.